The SolidWorks Drawings course is a hands-on training program that teaches you how to create, detail, and manage 2D engineering drawings for accurate manufacturing and documentation, so you can clearly communicate design intent through drawings. In just 3 days, we cover everything you need to know from the basics to advanced techniques. Here's what you learn. You start with building a wide foundation of the vast ways you can use drawing tools like views, dimensions, details, and annotations. You'll continue to learn more advanced tools like annotation tables, including bombs, advanced views, and even more detailing tools to help you effectively communicate your design. With all these arrows in your quiver, the only thing stopping you will be your imagination. You'll move beyond the tools to the process, where you can help streamline and standardize things by learning about drawing standards, sheet format, templates, layers, and maximizing performance. You'll even learn how to share your prints most effectively. In just 3 days, with a lot of hands-on practice, you will learn the tools, techniques, and skills needed to be able to effectively communicate your designs with 2D drawings. Sign up today to get started.